Hey guys, so we're moving up in the world, almost 100 subscribers. I wanted to show you my joiner. Yeah, I've been calling it an edger. I knew I was wrong whenever I was calling it an edger. Anyways, here you go. This is my edger planer, or more properly, jointer. And it's an Enco 8 inch. 8 inch. That's a big one. That is a good, nice jointer. So the dealio with this is, and the reason I want to show you is, well, of course, this channel is all about my woodworking. So, in any shape or form, so I show it, right? So, but these are made. Actually, I think it would be more appropriate to say that Enco, which is, I feel like it was a Korean company. No, Taiwan. Taiwan. Says so right there. You probably can't make it out. But yeah. Ooh, there you go. Look at that. Made in Taiwan. What I have learned is that like stuff that's made in Taiwan is not stuff that's made in China. Obviously. But what I mean by that is Taiwan has a higher standard of quality. All of the stuff that Highway produces, not all of it, of course, but most of the Highway pistons and cylinders are actually Taiwanese. And they are higher quality than the stuff that you get that's only like $30. And so anyways, this right here, I believe, what I was hinting at earlier is Enco became Jet, I think. If you're familiar with like the higher end of industrial woodworking equipment, Jet is definitely a name that you know. They're not the highest, but they're good. They're good stuff. And I think that's the way it worked. But it may be that Enco makes the Jet products or something like that. There's something going on. Oh, my son is grinding in the hallway. Look at him. Yeah, that's the kind of place I live in. Sometimes we just go, I got to grind right here in the hallway. I know what he's grinding. It's some nails, concrete nails that aren't flush to the floor. He must have tripped over it or something. Anyways, back to this jazz. So the big deal is, I think that one of these, a Jet, is probably about $2,000 to $3,000 for this size. I could be wrong. I don't know. I don't care. This right here is a bell saw, and it is a 15-inch planer, or no, it's a 12-inch, I think. But anyways, it's a good planer. I got it and the Enco jointer and a bunch of miscellaneous clamps and all that jazz for I think it was $220 for all of it. And works slick as it can be. Really like it. And it's an estate sale. So guys, you got to hit the estate sales. I mean, you can get some really good deals. I got these in an estate sale. These are my favorite they're not sunglasses, safety glasses. It's stylish, right? They're thick as can be. I think I could get shot with a .22 rifle and it probably wouldn't go through that. It's crazy. But I got them for $1. Ding, ding. I will say this about the estate sales. So they've gotten a little out of hand. What I mean by that is, whenever I first started going to the estate sales, COVID had not hit yet. So there were fewer people there, and the prices were more likely to be reasonable. Some people that have the estate sales are reasonable, and other ones are like, they're idiots. They're like 20% off of retail price, or even 10%. I mean, I've seen some crazy, stupid stuff, like a Husqvarna 455 chainsaw, and they're asking like $350 for it at an estate sale. You don't even know if it runs or not. It's like, what? That's not good. sometimes I'll be asked, and if it's steel, my God, I've seen a 180, a steel MS 180, and they're asking $200 for it. You can buy the fucking thing brand new for that. It's stupid. And it's old and used. It's like years old. So anyways, that's a rant. That's a rant. I get on those, man. I get on a tangent and I just keep going. Sorry. But what I was going to say is, ever since COVID, things changed. A lot more people are going to estate sales now. I mean, it's probably started to drop off now that everybody's getting back to work. But, you know, a lot of people, they didn't go to work. And so what they do, they found out about estate sales and they started going to that. And then the people running the estate sales were like, oh, we can make more money because these people don't know what they're doing. So anyways, but there are good deals there. And obviously this is one of them. I am super happy with this Enco. It's working great. And just a info, because I like to teach a little bit. This right here is called your pork chop because it looks like a pork chop. And it is spring loaded, but mine's a little bit out of adjustment, but for what I'm doing, it's fine. But basically, that stays like this so that whatever you're sliding through, the only part of the actual blade that is exposed to the board itself. So that's what's up. All I did to this, actually Irene did it. She did a great job. She hand sanded it because it had gotten rusty sitting in here, open to the environment and everything inside this barn. And then cleaned it up and waxed it with some Johnson's furniture wax. That's it. And wipe the wax off and it stays slick and smooth. Now we need to wax it several more times. That's what protects it and what makes the board just glide across there really nice. So, but anyways, it's good. And if somebody's in the Atlanta area and they want to buy that bell saw off of me, reach out to me. You know, $200, it's yours. Yeah, I know I paid $220 for both of them, but damn it, I'm gonna make some money. Thanks for watching the Novice Lumberjack videos. Keep subscribing, and maybe someday I'll have enough subscribers where I won't have to constantly tell you to keep subscribing. Take care. Bye.